Let me read to you from a paper here. The formula one ousa in three hypostases, a substance in three persons, which began to become dominant after Athanasius emphasized the separate subsistence of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit, rather than the one and indivisible nature common to the three. Philosophy. Today, we are used to thinking that the two concepts of substance and hypostasis have a different meaning, where one serves to express the unity of God and the other to convey his threefold personality. Fact, however, in the 4th century, the two terms both indicated basically the same thing, i.e., substance and hypostasis did not immediately mean person, as we have seen, but a real entity manifested in a concrete singularity, so much so that it was also used for inanimate objects. Identifying substance and hypostasis in God therefore ran the risk of shattering monotheism by transforming it into a tritheism, in which the hypostasis having an autonomous ontological identity were separated. Yes, and it is tritheism, and now I'm going to show you something crazy. So you know how the epistle to the Hebrews says that the Son of God is the radiance of God's glory and the exact imprint of his nature. Really? Is that what it reads? Because, that's one of their go-to texts to say, well, here it says that the Son and the Father are co-equal, because the Son, is like the exact imprint of God's nature. I mean, that wouldn't even prove it, but let me show you now something. So the Bible student would probably go to the Interlinear Bible. And then what I found was earth-shattering to me. Apparently, according to Biblehub Interlinear, hypostasis and substance are still the same thing. You would want to study something like this, and then you're like, oh, cool, in an Interlinear Bible, I get the exact translation, like a hypostasis is a substance. Is it? Okay, so if it is, then we do have tritheism. Or your translation is false. Same with nature. You should put here person if your concept of what a hypostasis is actually true, because in the Bible it's just the foundation is in there, which is standing out. I think in the Old Testament it was used for military posts, for example. So what is it, Trinitarians? Is hypostasis nature, substance, essence, same thing or not? If it's not, why do you put nature here? If it's not, why do you put substance as a translation of hypostasis in your study material? It's just crazy how these people lie, and this will get millionfold punishment from God. Can't wait to see it, that punishment, when all those liars are gonna finally have no escape, can't block you on YouTube, can't ignore you when you want to talk to them, can't call the cops when you enter their church and they don't want you there. There's no more escape one day. It's just going to be them. And then it's going to be, please respond. It's going to be a good day. Liars.